Alrighty, 8 p.m. We got red zone, our teak wood turbo, bi-turbo, twin turbo diesel, Isuzu diesel, Longtail all ready. This will be the biggest journey we ever taken this boat to. We're gonna go well on the north end of the lake, which is plus 100 kilometers long. Fuel tanks all full. Got two 30-liter jugs of diesel, wet bags, river shoes, sunscreen, you name it. And up there is the only stainless steel temple party in Thailand. Middle of nowhere, boat access only. We got a bunch of stuff to give to the jungle police as well as the temple. So yeah, just bringing them snacks, drinks, milk, food, fruits. Should be a good day. Probably gonna take us 2+ hours or more to get there. Right, Betty? Take us a while. But yeah, so the name's just in Thai, but that's Red Zone. That's our boat. 400 horsepower, ripping up the lake tomorrow. Get another good look at the engine. Beautiful 1.9 liter 4-cylinder Isuzu turbo diesel. Fully built with not just one, but two turbos. Let's head over to the other side. We're gonna be loaded tomorrow, leaving crack of dawn, just so we get glass most of the trip. This boat loves smooth water. Mila, you ready? Missy, is that your favorite toy? Uh-oh, poor little chicken. 6:30 in the morning. Got her hooked up. Everything just about all loaded. And yeah, gonna go hit the lake. Stainless steel temple bound. Right, Missy? Let's go. Woo! Right, Mila? Slowly but surely, we are about to departure. Just a slow morning, no fixed time, but we're gonna see a cool sunrise for sure, as it barely just peeked above the horizon over there. Let's go. There we go, in the water. Alrighty, departure time, Magnus.
All right, let's go. Let's do it.
Yoo. Bye-bye. Here we go, taking Red Zone to the stainless temple. There's the sun coming up. Here we go, officially taking off. A little bit of wind picked up. Not too bad. The coffee is good.
Coffee was excellent.
Quick pee break in the middle of the lake. We're hugging the shoreline because it's slightly windy out here. This boat doesn't like any waves, so I'm trying to sneak around and get all the flat water. Lake Fest 4 was held here. And that's where I proposed to this beautiful one. Back on the road again. A lot more big trees in here. This will be my first time captaining myself to the temple. Got Magnus as a navigator, so you're not gonna get lost.เล่นเรือครับแต่เรือเร็วเจ็ตสกีมาไม่ได้เลยใช่ไหม
ครับผมมันก็ดูคิด
เพราะมาอย่างเงี้ยอึดอัดขึ้นกลางอ่าวก็ใหญ่
มันกระทบกระทั่งกับชาวบ้านครับน้าดับไฟเรื่องกลัวนักท่องเที่ยวจะอันตรายน้าสั่งการปิดอยู่
Which one's a restaurant, Magnus? Over there. Cool stuff. It's been so long. All right. Touchdown. Touchdown! We did it!
Yeah.
Now we gotta carry everything up there. Look at that crow. Well, we made it. Park Red Zone, our Longtail. And got our gifts for the head monk. Doing some good merit today. Was already greeted by Anna's best friend. What do you name him? Oreo? There we go, we made it. Anna, we made it.
That's many.
So, they got Wi-Fi. They're high tech here. Oh, okay. Now we just got all our extra good luck. And this will help the tree that we choose to thrive. And it said pick a big one. That looks pretty big and close to me, so maybe this one. All right, grow you big tree. All right. Top of the mountain at the stainless steel temple. Got the first main JD. You wouldn't want to be here if it's storming. I think a lightning bolt would be very interested in striking this thing. All stainless steel. Let's have a look. Concrete statues. Couldn't have been very easy to get up here. First, I gotta barge it in. And even just the stainless steel alone, talking a lot of weight. That's a peacock, Anna, you heard it? Woo! Hello! Hello! Great view. Let's go over and look at the lake. It's definitely big. Then we got the lake in the background. Third time's the charm, right, Magnus?
Yep, that's true. Finally.
Third time. Now you get to step foot up at the temple grounds. Let's get that angle. Very cool. If anyone's ever worked with stainless steel, you would know that it's a very hard and difficult material to form, shape, and bend. Very impressive, especially the jetty just previous to this one. Well, that's that, baby. You got to see the stainless steel temple. Ready to go home? Well, lunch stop first. We're just near the temple here, about to leave. There's fishes everywhere. We're throw one more. I have it zoomed in. See if we can see one. Oh, gone. They're quick. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You're not gonna have any snacks left, baby.
Wait, I want them to go like super close to the boat. Look. Look.
Right next to the boat.
Oh, I can hold this.
Here we go, reversing. Adios. Look at that mirror. The full-on reflection. Almost like fake. So just cruising home, we had to do a quick U-turn. Saw them by the water. Wild water buffaloes. Happily eating. Anna, Danny. Everyone's jumping. We're going for brunch soon. So our next stop, we're gonna go have brunch. None of us ate breakfast at this ferry stop on the west side, on the north end. We just came from the north for a little lunch visit. Agnes, touchdown! We made it to the ferry stop. Now, time to eat.
Lunchtime.
We made it. Lunch stop. Magnus, I hope you're hungry.
It's been a long day.
That was a quick one. Coming back this morning, it was actually, we had some decent chop, but this whole drive back, it's been glass the whole route. We might have had some ripples, but didn't affect us. Maintained solid 40 to 50 mile per hour the whole route. This shack here, so we're gonna get lunch. And this here is the ferry stop. Might see a ferry come by later. Here we go. Beverages, pad kapow, hmu kop, fried eggs. Good Magnus.
Yeah.
Good Anna. Then you got Red Zone, our Longtail, down there. Check out this lake view. Oh shit, stepped on something. Anna, watch out. They're gonna get you? Anna, what noise they make? I feel like they're gonna attack me.
They totally will.
Alrighty, time to get home. Once again, we're in the middle of freaking lake. It is flat. We're in the wakeboat, can wakeboard the whole way home. Everyone's asleep. They ate too much at lunch, I guess. That's that. We made it home. Did you miss me? You missed me? I didn't go that long. I was just gone for half a day. You miss me? You miss me? Did you miss me? I just got home. Yeah.